Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 35 on that test of orals, section 3. Now the instruction is, from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that rhymes with the given word. So the given word is message. So option A, budget, B, passage, C, massage, D, aging. So I will transcribe the word given to us and then transcribe each of the options so we can pick out the group of sounds and then the option that contains the same group of sounds that can be said to rhyme with the given word. So message is transcribed this way. Message. So option A, budget, is transcribed this way. Budget. Option B, passage, is transcribed this way. Option C, massage, is transcribed this way. Massage. And option D, aging, is transcribed this way. Aging. Now, these are the group of sounds we will be looking out for in the word message, and we see that those or similar sets of sounds are found in the word passage. So have the same sound here in message and also here in passage. Therefore the correct answer is B, passage. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.